Again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can expand your market business. Expanding your market business can be a strategic move to increase your revenue and customer base, and here are some effective strategies to consider. First, market penetration. So you need to encourage repeat purchases through your loyalty program, discounts, or personalized offer, and increase product usage. You can promote additional uses for your products or services, and also price adjustment. You can experiment with pricing strategies like discount, bundling, or premium pricing. And the second one is product development. You can introduce new products or variants of existing one to cater to different customer segments. And you can also enhance existing products with new features or better quality or the product improvement and also innovation. You can develop completely new products or services to tap into emerging markets. The third one is market development. You can expand into new geographic markets, either domestically or internationally. You can also target new customer segments, identify new customer groups with similar needs and preferences, and you can also adjust the distribution channel expansion. You can utilize additional distribution channels like online marketplaces, retail partnership, or direct to consumer sales. For the diversification, you can enter related markets or industries that complement your core business and invest in unrelated businesses to spread risk and generate new revenue streams. And here, you need to remember that market expansion is a complex process that requires careful planning and execution. So it's important to start with a clear strategy and be prepared to adapt as needed. By following these strategies and considering the key factors, you can successfully expand your market business and achieve sustainable growth. So that's pretty much all. I hope these tips will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.